Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see my look and review on the brand new Natasha Denona Valentine's Day collection for 2021. When I saw this collection announced, I was like, I have got to have this. So these are the products that came in the collection. We have the Love Cheek Duo cream blush and highlighter, and you guys know I've been on a cream blush kick, so I had to try. We also have the mini Love palette with 5 eyeshadows here, super beautiful colors, and then it also came with the Natasha Denona I Need Nude lipstick. So we're going to be playing with all of these products today. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions. I also want to know, does this collection appeal to you? Are you into this? Are you into the color story? Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down in the comments. But anyways, if you are enjoying these types of videos from me, because I've been doing so many makeup reviews, I will have them all linked below on my current ones. Then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already sitting here viewing this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh man. Believe it or not, I am so tired today. So tired. Okay, so the first thing that I want to try out is the Natasha Denona Love Cheek Duo. Super cute. Just wait until you see this packaging, you guys. It's insane. So pretty. Look at it. That's the packaging. Like, I just can't. The packaging is so cute. And this is what it looks like on the inside. My only concern is with this highlighter. I feel like it might give me dark cast, which is where you have a darker highlighter on your skin tone and you see like this dark shade here, and it only looks good from the side, but you look like you have like those football stripes, but like on the side of your cheek. It's not a cute look. So I'm gonna test it out and see if it'll work on my skin tone. Really excited about this. Love this packaging. Here is the lipstick. This is in the shade Amorosa, I think that's how you pronounce it. Here is the packaging. Super beautiful, heavy, weightful, definitely feels luxe. This was a $25 lipstick, by the way. Insane, but the color, absolutely beautiful. I will have the prices and everything listed down below. I believe this was $48, but I could be mistaken. And then of course the little mini palette was $25. It definitely didn't break the bank, but I mean, still $25 for an eyeshadow palette like this is kind of insane, especially because ColourPop now has little dupes of these, which I do plan on getting the new ColourPop collection. But I'm really excited to play with these. These just look so beautiful. I don't have these colors in my collection, believe it or not, so that's why I was like, I have to have it. So I am going to go ahead and start out by playing with this guy and see, you know, what the tea is. So I want to start by swatching this on the back of my hand, just so you guys can see the color. So there's the color of that. Let's do the highlighter. Wow. That's actually really pretty. I really hope that doesn't give me dark cast, but I have a feeling it is. So wish me luck. Okay, so starting out with the cream blush. This is actually really pretty. Have you seen that new trend where people are using blush for contouring now and not doing bronzer? That is a trend I should get behind because I do really like blush. So I'm going to apply this to my other cheek and then I will be right back. So here's what the blush looks like. I have to say it is extremely beautiful. Happy about this purchase just for the blush itself. Like, we love, you guys know I've been into cream blushes lately. This one's pretty good. Now I'm going to try out this highlighter and hope that there is no dark cast. I'm just going to use my finger. Unfortunately, there is dark cast. Like, it looks really good from the side. And then when you turn forward, you see that dark streak right there. You can see it more in person, but it's not cute. It looks like you have like a dark strip on your face and not like a beautiful light highlighter or whatever tone is good for your skin tone. But I'm gonna finish up the other side and then I will show you what they look like. So here it is on both of my cheeks. Really, really pretty. I just wish there wasn't a dark cast, which you still can't really see that well in the camera, but in person I can see those dark lines just shooting across, but it looks really good on camera, honestly. Okay, let me go ahead and do my nose. My mom hates it when I do my nose. Cupid's bow, and a little bit of some spaghetti grease on the chin. So now I want to try out the lipstick here. So I'm just going to apply it and then show you the final look because I don't really think, you know, you gotta watch me apply it. But yeah. Huh. This might even be a new favorite color. Do we love? Do we love? I love. Lipstick 10 out of 10. Great. Okay, now let's move on to eyeshadow. So going to apply the Zoeva eyeshadow primer in matte, and then I'm going to zoom you in and we're going to start doing an eye look. Okay, so the shade names for this palette is actually so cute. It's called You Are My True Love. Don't you love that? That is so cute. So I'm going to start out by taking this shade and applying it to my crease. Now I want to take this shade and deepen up the outer corner. Now I just want to do some blending. Now I want to go in with this first shade that we used and go ahead and run that back over top of it, just on the very edge of that darker color, just to kind of marry the two. Now we're going to go ahead and swatch these shimmer shades on my hand so we can just take a closer look at what these shades look like swatched and figure out what I want to put on my lid. Okay, so here are the shades swatched on my hand. Can I just say that these are like some super gorgeous colors? Like, I would like to see a look with just that purple and these two. I feel like for this look, this would be the best, but I kind of want to lighten it up a little bit because this look is so dark and sultry, like a nighttime going out and having a Valentine's Day date in like a dark dining setting, you know what I mean? So I think I'm going to take the pink shade and apply it to my lid. Okay, yeah. I have an idea. I want to take some of that original dark shade and then just blend it over here on top of that color to kind of make them more together. Does that make sense? Now, since this eye look is rather dark, I actually want to take this shade and apply it to my inner corner and bring it down into my lower lash line. So it's not really working like how I wanted it to. So I think I'm just going to apply this to my inner eye to try and brighten it up some. That looks pretty good, okay. So now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take that dark purple and run it near the end of my lower lash line to connect it. And then apply the lightest purple on the rest of my lower lash line. Honestly, I'm not too happy with how this light color effect that I'm trying to do is looking, so I think I'm going to try and take this highlighter and add it to my inner corner and just see what that does. and then apply some to my brow bone. I do like that a lot more. I'm going to add a little bit more of this just to the center lid, just to bring that color back a little bit more. Now I'm going to apply my liner and lashes and all of that, and then I'm going to be back to give you my final thoughts. Okay, so here is the final look. I don't know how much I love what I did. It's definitely not my favorite eyeshadow look that I've ever created in my entire life, but I mean, it's okay. It's not the best, I'm just gonna be honest. But I'm gonna zoom you out now and give you my final thoughts on all of the products. So number one, the lipstick, beautiful, gorgeous. I can see this becoming one of my everyday favorite lipstick shades. The formula is very comfortable to wear, very creamy. We love the lipstick. 10 out of 10 recommend. So now we have the highlighter and cream blush duo in this gorgeous packaging. I do have to say I also highly recommend this. Now this is a little bit of a dark cast on my skin. It's not as bad as most, so I can get away with wearing this, and I have very, very light skin, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. The cream blush, absolutely beautiful. Love it so, so much. So highly recommend this also. Now, the eyeshadow palette, on the other hand, would I recommend it at $25 for what you get? No. And why I say this is because you have to be in the mood for a really sultry type look. Would your $25 be worth that? I don't know. That is totally up to you, but for me, it wouldn't be worth it because it's not every day that I'm doing these eye looks. This is kind of like a going out look. So if you're someone who does like these more darker looks, then this would be a palette that I say go for, get it. Amazing formula, amazing quality, we love. But if you're someone who is more of a neutral, everyday kind of person, then I probably wouldn't recommend this to you because you wouldn't be getting a lot of use out of it. But other than that, the palette was okay. It's just a lot of dark colors. I wish there was more of a lighter matte in here to kind of give it more variety, because even this purple is pretty dark. But other than that, I say 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10, probably a 6 out of 10 just for the color story. Even though it is beautiful, it's just not something that I can see myself and a lot of others getting a lot of use out of. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, then definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you agree with what I said with the eyeshadow palette? Is it something that you would be able to use every single day? Do you like everything in this collection? Just let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!